The Voice of Rain by Walt Whitman. Walt Whitman was an American poet and journalist. His most famous collection of poems is The Leaves of Grass. He died of pneumonia in 1892. The poem The Voice of Rain is written by Walt Whitman. It is a conversation between the poet and the rain. The rain explains its eternal journey in its birthplace, the earth. The poet asked the soft falling showers who it was. Strangely enough, the showers gave him an answer. The voice of the rain told him that it was the poem of earth. It is everlasting and perpetual. It is something that cannot be touched. It is born out of the land and the deep sea. It rises upward to heaven. There, it gets a different form and is altogether changed, yet it remains the same. Then it comes down to wash the dried, tiny particles and dust layers of the world. The rain helps the seeds which lie hidden and unborn under the layer of earth to take a new life. This process of rain is perpetual and goes on by day and night. Rain gives back life to its own source of beginning, makes it pure and beautiful. The rain sings a song. This song issues from its birthplace. It keeps wandering here and there, whether it is paid heed to or not. After accomplishment, the song returns properly with love. Poetic devices. Personification. In the line, I am the poem of earth, said the voice of rain. Metaphor is also present in the above line, where rain is compared to the poem of earth. Imagery has also been used in the poem. Some archaic words are also used in the poem. Archaic words were commonly used in earlier time but rare in the present day usage, except to suggest the older time. Some archaic words are though, that means you, die, your, and die, yours. People of Telangana also respect the beauty of nature and worship it in festivals like Battukama. It is a variant festival celebrated by the women folk with flowers that grow exclusively in each region. Battukama comes during the later half of monsoon rains. Rains bring plenty of water into the freshwater ponds, and it is also the time when wildflowers bloom in various vibrant colors. Battukama is celebrated by women heralding the beauty of nature in vibrant colors of multitudinous flowers.